Hey, this is Mr. Turner. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to find transparent images to use in our digital art projects using Sketches Pro. To teach my students the difference between finding transparent images and regular images, we had a project in using Sketches Pro where we fill a space with whatever objects we would ever want. So if I were to put a cozy chair in my space, we have to find the correct kind of image that has no background, that makes it look like that image actually exists in that space. That's compared to a regular image search that gives us this white square around the chair. And although it looks comfy, we would have to erase that white area, and that takes a lot of time. So we're going to learn how to find transparent images and how that compares to regular images that we find using Safari. I'm looking for a super cozy chair to put inside my space. So I'm going to do an image search for chair. And now when I do my image search, it's really important that we click on this tools panel right here. And underneath the tools, we want to click on color. You can change any color you want. So if I want a green chair, yellow chair, orange chair, I can do that. But I'm going to click on transparent instead. Now when I click on my image, or when I find my chair, what looks good? Something that looks like it matches the perspective of my room. I'm going to click on, I'm going to use this guy right here. Okay, this looks comfortable. Now when we find a correct image, we know that it's a transparent image because in our preview, we see this checkerboard pattern behind there. That means that there's no image behind our chair, and this is perfect to use. I'm going to tap and hold that chair. I don't have to save this to my camera roll. I'm just going to hit copy. Now when I go back into my sketches, on an empty layer, on a new layer, I'm going to tap my settings up top, these three dots right here. I'm going to click on the download button or the place button. And I'm going to hit paste. And that puts my chair inside of my room. I can put it wherever I want, but I'm going to put it right here in the corner, kind of where I had that really cozy chair. I'm going to lock it down with the check mark. Now that chair is in my space. And I can do this for anything else. So inside of my room, I have all of my objects on different layers. I have a cozy fireplace because I love fire. I have a painting of Einstein because why not? A really cool lava lamp that's going to go on top of my fireplace. My pet horse, and Justin Bieber might just pop in to visit. Okay, so that is how I use Safari to find transparent images to use inside of digital art projects in Sketches Pro.